Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. You might notice that my camera looks very different today, and let me explain to you what happened. So I live in Irvine, and let me show you some stories from today. So this is the Orange County Register. As you can see here, Irvine, Tustin, Placentia, Yorba Linda schools to close on Tuesday because of fires. And you can see a picture here. There's a fire. Here's one from the New York Times. Thousands forced to evacuate from California fires. About 90,800 people were affected by evacuation orders near Irvine, California. And yeah, there were strong winds today. It was super windy. Trees fell over. There was leaves everywhere, and the wind helped spread the fire, and a bunch of people had to evacuate. Here's the Irvine evacuation areas. Yeah, everyone was warned and to just leave the area and evacuate, and I was one of those people. I had to pack up a lot of my stuff and flee because of the huge fire. Luckily I'm still alive and I'm doing okay, but yeah, that's why I'm in the situation I am right now, and things are a little bit different. Hopefully everything will be contained and everything will be okay, but that's what's happening for now. There was a huge fire and I had to evacuate my home. Alright, with that said, I did want to make a video today. I noticed that I've gained a good increase in the number of subscribers on my channel, so I wanted to stay up to date with you guys on what's happening in my portfolio. So right now, my portfolio is $113,827.43. As you can see here, today I lost $12,774. That's a 10% loss. And it's just a horrible day. Like, not only did I have the situation with the fire and having to evacuate, but I also lost a ton of money. And I think today is especially important to show you guys and to be transparent with you guys, because I think I've noticed a lot of people just see a bunch of money and then they get super excited, like, oh, what are you doing? What strategy are you using? I want to do that too. And yeah, I'm doing call debit spreads, and I feel like a lot of people just want to do it without really understanding how high risk it is. And as you can see here, today I lost almost $13,000. That's a lot of money to lose in one day, right? And that just shows you what I'm doing, the strategy I'm using. It's a super risky strategy. Some days you can actually lose a bunch of money doing this strategy. It's not like every day you just make more and more and more money. There are going to be days, and there's going to be situations where you could lose everything. You know, if I guess the wrong price and these stocks go low enough, I'm going to lose all my money potentially. So I just wanted to do this just to show you guys that it's not always, you know, gains and gains every single day. Sometimes I do suffer big losses. And I don't want you guys to think that this is a super safe strategy or anything like that. There is huge risk to this. So keep that in mind. And also, just as a disclaimer, I'm not a certified licensed financial advisor. I'm just doing these videos just to show you guys what I'm personally doing and what the results of what I'm personally doing. That doesn't mean that you should just blindly copy what I do or take what I'm saying as financial advice, because it's not. Honestly, what I'm doing, I personally think is way too risky for most people. But I'm doing it because I understand what I'm getting into and I understand the risks, and this is what I'm doing. Alright, anyways, today is just, oh my goodness, what a day. It's just so bad. Thankfully, I am still alive, but my goodness. Lost a bunch of money and had to evacuate my home because of a fire. It's just not a good day. Alright, let's get into what's inside my portfolio. So right now, I only have 3 different call debit spreads. Right now I have the Cinemark $5, $7.5 call debit spread. So in order to make the maximum profit, Cinemark has to stay above $7.50. Thankfully, right now Cinemark is above $7.50. It's $8.74, I believe. Yeah. Let's hope it stays above $7.50 until expiration. Then I can make the max profit. Next up, we got an Intel. Intel call debit spread. The 47.5 call debit spread. So for maximum profit, I'm going to need Intel to stay above $47.5. Unfortunately, it is below this right now. It dropped by a lot today. So right now, Intel is at $46.60. So it is below $47.5. So that's below the price I need for maximum profit. The break-even price is $46.53. So thankfully, it is still above the break-even price. It hasn't gone into the range where I'm going to lose money at expiration. So that's at least good. But let's hope it does recover and go above $47.5 by expiration. Lastly, I have AT&T. Here's an AT&T 2728 call debit spread. This basically means I'm betting AT&T will stay above $28 by expiration. Unfortunately, right now, it's just a red day for so many stocks, and AT&T is not exempt from that. AT&T is also down today. It's at $27.35. So it's below $28. It's below the price I need for maximum profit. And not only that, but the break-even price is $27.42. Right now it's $27.35. So it's even below the break-even price. If it stays at $27.35 at expiration, I'm going to lose money. So hopefully it does go back up. There's just so much uncertainty in the market right now. I did not expect this big of a drop today. This was pretty sudden. Wow. Hopefully we do recover. Thankfully, these call debit spreads, they don't expire until, so for example, Cinemark, these call debit spreads don't expire until December 18th. So I still have more than 2 months to go. Intel, these Intel call debit spreads, they also expire December 18th. And finally, AT&T, this doesn't expire until January 15th, 2021. So this has even more time to go. So I'm not super panicked right now, but this is just what happens sometimes. Sometimes there's just a huge drop in the market and call debit spreads just get really hurt by this. I lost a considerable amount of my portfolio today, and this is just to show you guys, this is risky. You know, you could lose money sometimes. And I just want to be transparent with you guys. I don't want to post only videos where I'm just gaining and gaining all the time. I want to show you guys that sometimes I do take losses. These are risky strategies. Call debit spreads are risky. You could lose money. All right. Hopefully I do recover from this, and hopefully the fire situation gets better in Irvine. Yeah, that's it for my video, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and good luck investing. Bye.